Hey guys, welcome back. So I hope you're having a great day. Today's Friday. We had Hive report their announcement of buying miners yesterday, and we also had Hut. Hut came in a little bit later than Hive, so I didn't get a chance to do a video on it, so I'm going to do a video on Hut and their mining that they are purchasing right now. And then we also have another video coming out later on today, which looks into the total hash rate of each company announced for 2022, as far as how many miners are going to have, what the hash rate is going to be. And then we'll look at some comparisons as far as miners to market cap, hash rate to market cap, do some comparisons with that. We'll provide some winners and losers in that, but they'll be coming out later on today, probably in the afternoon. This video should be out this morning. So let's get into the story here really quick. So Hut 8 Mining announces purchase of 12,000 new micro BT miners for delivery starting January 2022. So one of North America's largest innovation-focused digital asset mining pioneers, supporting open and decentralized systems since 2018, is pleased to provide the following corporate update with respect to its largest strategic purchase. So Hut 8 has executed on $58.7 million USD purchase of 12,000 new microBT M30s, M30S Plus, M30S Plus miners from Inchigo Technology Hong Kong Limited, representing a cost of approximately $50 per terahash, with aggregate incremental production of 1.17 exahash. The miners are expected to be delivered starting in January of 22, so not until next year, which is unfortunate. It would have been nice to see them and get those in this year. We could update our numbers and take a look at it to see where they're going to be, but we can go forward from here. At delivery rate of approximately 1,000 machines per month, with full deployment anticipated by December 22. The anticipated production capacity increase of this purchase upon full deployment alongside previous announced investments brings Hut 8's total contracted capacity to approximately 3.57 exahash, and that actually coincides with what I have for all their miners right now. I added the 12,000 miners into my sheet. Excuse me. In addition to the 1,600 gigahash of cutting-edge NVIDIA GPU miners, the new fleet of miners, along with the previously announced 1 exahash order from MicroBT, will be strategically deployed at the company's existing 2 sites in Alberta, as well as a 3rd site under development with Validus Power. We are thrilled to announce our latest strategic purchase of the new MicroBT equipment, remarked Jamie Leverton, Chief Executive Officer of Hut. The strength of our relationships with MicroBT enabled us to quickly execute on this compelling investment opportunity, while timing relative to Bitcoin achieving an all-time high is coincidence. This investment serves to reinforce our commitment to efficiently mine and hodl Bitcoin. So let's take a look at right now what they have. So here's Hut 8, my numbers for all of them. We still looks like have these black boxes. I did some math yesterday and calculated that they have basically number of miners, 7,000, and they had like 16, 40, 42, and like 12 of these black boxes. And so based on that, everything stayed the same as far as monthly income and everything else, miner speed. We were able to calculate that based from the petahash. So this makes it kind of easier to figure out actually how many miners they have instead of these black boxes that they call them, which was kind of a pain in the butt. And then we also see that they got the M31S's here. They have, excuse me, August installed, left to be installed. And then here are the new purchases here. So M30s, M30S's, and whatnot. We know what the total hash rate was going to be. It was going to be right around 1.17. So this is what we get. So we're averaging it all out to 97.5 terahash. And these are the miners that are going to be installed in the tranches of 1,000 each month. So we have that for those 12 months. So that'll get us to close to what they're saying of 1.57 or 3.57. I have them at 3.53, so this one might be a little bit higher than I thought previously. So we'll have to figure that out as well, because I don't think they're mining at 10, might be closer to 13, I think, on this one. So that we'll have to adjust that as well. But otherwise, everything is looking good for them. Obviously, they got the GPU miners coming online as well. So based on these numbers, we won't know exactly how much they're going to be able to earn until we get closer to these quarters and they actually start making them, depending where the price of Bitcoin is going to be and where they are right now. So yeah, I mean, this is good news. Obviously, this gets them closer to it. And I'll give you guys a quick peek right now at the miner hash rate comparison. So here's all that information for that coming up later on in the video. There's a lot of stuff to go over there. So we'll do that one later on today as well. So that is all I got for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. As far as, I think this is obviously good news for Hut and for everybody that's invested in Hut. They're obviously investing in the miners, they're getting the hash rate up, which is good to see. They're not staying behind or going to fall behind. The interesting part is going to be which miners do they take offline because of this. Well, they have a new facility coming up, so I don't think they have to take off too many miners, the old ones at least. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think this is great news for Hut. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a great day, and bye.